On July 2, 1976, during the first session of the 6th National Assembly, lawmakers officially renamed Saigon Gia Định as Ho Chí Minh City, marking a new chapter in the city's development alongside the nation's progress.
And today, as the city commemorates the 50th anniversary of bearing President Ho Chí Minh's name, we go live to our reporter Hoang Linh, who is right now in the heart of the celebration. Good morning, Hoang Linh. What is the energy like where you are standing right now?
Yes, good morning, Tâm Chang. If you could feel the energy here right now, you know why today is so special. The streets are beautifully adorned with flags, banners, and posters, marking this historic 50-year milestone. Over the past 5 decades, Ho Chí Minh City has transformed tremendously, investing heavily in major infrastructure projects, expanding urban space, driving economic growth, and constantly improving residents' quality of life. Today, its identity is defined not only by its modern skyline, but also by its bold ambition to become a leading regional center for finance, trade, and innovation. And the highlights of this landmark celebration is unfolding right now. In just a few minutes, a grand ceremony would officially begin inside the Reunification Palace. This major event will bring together top leaders of the party and state, alongside a large gathering of residents who look back at the city's memorable milestone and send out shared aspiration for the future. The excitement will carry on late into the night as the city hosts various cultural events, culminating in spectacular firework displays across 16 different locations. Hoang Linh reporting for Vietnam Today in Ho Chí Minh City.